start from respiratory difficulties. Respiratory difficulties are, for example, pneumonia, pulmonary embolism, drug overdose, respiratory distress. The question is, what is respiratory difficulty? Respiratory difficulty is defined as when a person unable to breathe properly is called respiratory difficulty. Patient may feel shortness of breath, tired. In the severe cases, they need ventilators and oxygen therapy in ICU. Now come to the first, pneumonia. We will define it concisely because this is not the class of pathology or pathophysiology. We will just know what is pneumonia. Pneumonia is a lung infection where or is accumulated in the lungs, and the result. Now come to the second one, pulmonary embolism. Pulmonary embolism is defined as when somewhere clot travels to the lungs. As a result, it blocks blood flow. It can cause chest pain, shortness of breath, and even sudden collapse. Pulmonary embolism is a life-threatening condition in which there is needed immediate ICU care. To the third one, drug overdose. When someone takes too much drugs or medicine, either intentionally or accidentally, this can slow down breathing. It can damage organ or can causing unconsciousness in patients. For this condition, ICU care is needed for antidotes or support. Now come to the fourth one, respiratory distress. This means the lungs are not working properly and the body is not getting enough oxygen due to trauma, severe infections, or other serious diseases. The patient may need oxygen therapy or ventilator.